Hello everyone, hope you're having a lovely day. This is Ashish Kumar, MD of Revolutionize Limited. Today we'll talk about engineering and manufacturing sector. This is because so far we have helped in Revolutionize around 12 manufacturing organizations. And while helping them, I observed one thing in common among all, that they were using more than one software like CRM for managing the sales, and then production management for inventory management, accounts, reporting. So they were using different software to manage different element of their manufacturing firm. And on top of that, they were using a spreadsheet for the operations which were not managed by any of these software. So I'll give you an example of one engineering firm we have helped called Sterling Plastic. The chap is Hugh Sterling, a very good friend of mine now, and they were using a spreadsheet for prospecting, one spreadsheet based system for quotation and jobs in, and production management, and they were sheet for inventory. They don't know how many raw materials is there. They were ordering raw materials again and again, and they were using a zero accounting system which was not been connected with their Excel based systems they were using. So we had given them a very simple to use system. It was a bespoke system, and it did everything for them from inquiry to an invoice, and everything in between can be done very swiftly with few clicks. For example, right from the prospecting, you can couple of click, the prospect goes to quotation, then once quotation approved, it goes to jobs in section, the order processing section after that, and then you can do a production management elements from it. You can do a job sheet in a click of a button. You can print some labels and delivery note. Inventory management is connected to the whole system, and by a click of a button you can generate invoice, and another click it goes to zero as well. So as you can see, everything for which they were using spreadsheet before, now one system connects them all. And I will definitely say how wonderful that system is and how wonderful Revolutionize and I am. But let's see what Hugh Sterling said after when he got this software from us. Have a look.
I wanted a more simple way of just putting information in once and then be able to access that later on. What we found with what Revolutionize have produced for us is absolutely brilliant. We put in information at the inquiry stage, customer information, what they require, etc. Then if they want to go forward with a quote, we put the information in that requires the quotation numbers, simply pressing a couple of buttons to get to that stage. If they order, it's a couple of clicks again. The information is transferred automatically. We process our orders right up to production, job sheets, invoices, delivery notes, etc. And then with a couple of clicks of a button, we transfer it to zero for our invoices to go out to the customer. Very simple, very efficient. We didn't have to learn new processes because Revolutionize listened to us. Within about half an hour, they knew what we wanted, and they brought it back to us after about 3 weeks for us to have a go at. Within the 16 weeks promise, we had a fully working system. From start to finish, the way Ashish and his team knew what we required, went about it, delivered it to us, I'd recommend them to anyone.